ClwydAlyn is a diverse group of individuals, united to address poverty in North Wales, providing excellent quality homes and communities to those most in need. We manage over 6,000 homes, and we're building hundreds more every year, from state-of-the-art affordable homes.
We were quite taken back that we could have a house like this. It's like talking to Sharon as a friend.
Supported living schemes.
I've got people here who push me up, not drag me down, and they can tell me that my future is there and I can go out, I can go to college when I'm ready.
Independent living schemes.
Colin was diagnosed with an illness, and I knew that I might need some help. We realised it would be a good thing, and it was the best move we ever made.
And specialist care facilities.
Annie is my mother. She's 93 years old. The care that she gets 24/7 is second to none.
We believe that together we can beat poverty, and we'd like you to join us on this journey.
If you care about ending poverty, if you care about what goes on across the communities in North Wales and you want to be able to make a positive difference, then you're the kind of person we want as a board member.
It's been a fantastic privilege to be chair of a housing association like ClwydAlyn. We need to make sure that we play our part in ensuring that no one falls through the net. If we can get people of different ages, of different backgrounds, of different diversity, I'm sure that'll make a difference. And I really encourage people from all backgrounds to apply. We're involved in all aspects of life, and we need a breadth of experience.
I originally came on because I was a resident and I wanted to have my voice heard, and I wanted to speak up for other residents as well. ClwydAlyn want to listen. Not everybody has the ability to voice what their everyday problems are, things that make them anxious in their lives.
You're going to be able to help us shape the organisation, and you're going to be the group of people who take the most important decisions, and to know that you're doing something really positive for the people of North Wales.
What are you waiting for? Apply for it.